In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared mailbox for Outlook in Microsoft 365 Admin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is be in your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and you need to come down to where it says Exchange on the left-hand side. Click on that. This is going to take you into Microsoft Exchange Admin. And from here, we need to make sure that we have selected the Mailbox option under the Recipients tab. I have just blurred out the mailboxes in my current admin account right here, just for security purposes. But what you want to do is go ahead and click Add a Shared Mailbox. You then create the display name for the mailbox. So I'm just going to create a test one right here. You then create the email address for the mailbox. So in your case, it could be info@, but once again, I'm just going to do test at. And then you need to pick your domain. From here, you do have the option of creating an alias. If you do not provide it, it will just use the same as the display name. So I'm just going to leave this blank. And once you're ready, you go ahead and click create. From here, this will have successfully created your mailbox. The next step that you need to do is to be able to add users to it so that they can get access to it. It already comes up on this screen after you've created it. But let's say you wanted to come into your mailbox later and add users in the future. All you need to do is find your mailbox, click on it. This will load up a screen on the right hand side, and you want to go over to delegations, and you essentially have two options. You can either just set a send as, just where basically people can only send emails on behalf of you, or you can have read and manage, which is basically full access to that mailbox. In my case, I'm going to give myself full access to this mailbox, so I'm going to click edit on there. You then click add members, and then you search for the name that you want to give access. In my case, I'm giving myself access. And then once you're ready to assign that person, you can go ahead and click save. And then you're going to just confirm in the screen after that. Once you have done that, you will get a success message, and it says that changes are saved and will appear within 5 minutes on that user account. And that person can go into their Outlook account and add this mailbox as a shared mailbox for them to view in the future. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.